Guys, just when astronomers thought the story of 3I Atlas was over, something truly strange started to happen. An object that was supposed to have disintegrated 5 years ago is now acting in ways that no one can explain. And the wild part? It seems to be changing direction, almost like it's alive. Yeah, you heard that right. A dead comet that once streaked through our solar system in 2020 is suddenly giving off signs that it's not so dead after all. How can something that was torn apart by the sun somehow return, moving against solar gravity? This isn't just unusual, it's flat out impossible. And yet, it's happening right now. Over the past few months, astronomers using the ESA Gaia mission and the Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii have been tracking faint points of light near the same region of space where 3I Atlas should have vanished. The data verified in October 2025 shows something bizarre. Tiny fragments, barely visible, are pulsing irregularly in brightness, flickering on and off like a dying star trying to speak. Their magnitude? Around 21.5. That's faint, very faint, but still visible when it shouldn't be. And the most confusing part, the fragments are moving differently. Instead of drifting along the same old path, their trajectories look inconsistent, almost coordinated. It's like throwing a snowball into the ocean and then watching it start to swim on its own. Now, here's where things get wild. These aren't just random dust clouds. Each of these fragments seems to be adjusting ever so slightly, as if responding to some hidden force. They're not following the gravitational curve they should. They're twitching, moving, accelerating. And it's not a one-time glitch either. Multiple observatories have picked up these anomalies. The data is consistent. Which raises a terrifying question. How is that even possible? Remember, 3I Atlas was supposed to be gone. It broke apart under solar heat back in 2020, its nucleus shattered, its tail dispersed. Nothing should remain bright enough to detect now. Nothing should be capable of steering itself. But somehow, pieces of it are still here. Moving, flashing, defying physics. And this is the point where scientists started questioning everything. At first, the community thought it was a mistake. Maybe an error in tracking. Maybe background stars interfering with the data. But as days turned into weeks, the evidence became undeniable. The fragments weren't random noise. They were real, and their movement couldn't be explained by natural comet behavior. What's going on here? One researcher asked, is there something about interstellar debris we've completely misunderstood? Guys, seriously, what do you think is happening here? Are we looking at hidden magnetic fields? Residual jets of gas? Or something even more artificial? Drop your theory in the comments, because this one's weird. To understand how strange this is, let's rewind a bit. Back in December 2019, astronomers detected 3I Atlas, the third known interstellar visitor to ever enter our solar system. It came from beyond the stars, traveling faster than any comet from our neighborhood ever could. But before it could even complete its passage, the sun's heat tore it apart. By mid-2020, the show was over. Or so we thought. Now, 5 years later, the ghost of that visitor seems to have returned. And the experts? They're split big time. Dr. Karen Meach, one of the world's leading cometary scientists, believes it could be residual outgassing. Even though the nucleus is gone, tiny pockets of volatile material might still be venting, creating microjets that push the fragments around. But other scientists aren't so sure. Professor Avi Loeb from Harvard thinks we might be seeing something else entirely. He's suggested that some interstellar fragments might be engineered, built to respond to sunlight in ways that mimic propulsion. He's not saying 3I Atlas is an alien probe, but he's asking, what if some interstellar debris is actually technological in nature? And that idea, as wild as it sounds, might explain why these fragments are moving in formation. Because here's the kicker, new data shows the debris isn't drifting randomly. They're synchronized, moving in near perfect alignment, like they're following a rhythm. That's what fascinates me most. This isn't chaos, it's almost organized. Imagine debris acting like a school of fish, each tiny piece aware of the others, dancing through the void in patterns too deliberate to ignore. Could it be coincidence? Maybe, but nature doesn't usually choreograph motion this precise. Now, let's pause for a second. What would that mean if these fragments were somehow connected even after destruction? Because if it's natural, we're witnessing a brand new kind of interstellar behavior, something we've never seen before. But if it's not natural, then we may have just glimpsed evidence of something far greater.
That's not science fiction. That's the level of mystery astronomers are dealing with right now. And it doesn't just affect space theory. It changes how we think about every interstellar object that's ever passed us. From asterisk asterisk Kumua asterisk asterisk to asterisk asterisk Borisov asterisk asterisk to whatever might come next. If 3IATLAS can somehow come back from destruction, then our understanding of asterisk, what interstellar means asterisk, needs a complete rewrite. Maybe these travelers don't just visit once. Maybe they asterisk linger. Asterisk, this discovery has serious implications for science and technology. It challenges our entire model of how sunlight, gas pressure, and interstellar dust interact. It could even inspire new missions. Small spacecraft designed to chase and capture these fragments for direct analysis. Imagine being able to asterisk touch asterisk something that was born in another star system. Something that's been drifting for millions of years before arriving here. But the big question still hangs in the air. Are we seeing nature's strange trick or the fingerprint of design? I'll let that one sit with you for a moment. For now, 3IATLAS remains. The ghost of a visitor we barely understood. A faint flicker in the dark, appearing when it shouldn't. Moving where it shouldn't. Drifting. Blinking. Defying logic. And maybe that's what makes it so haunting. Because the universe doesn't just reveal answers. It reveals questions that refuse to die. The kind that keep astronomers awake at night. The kind that make us realize how little we actually understand about what's out there. Scientists are still watching closely. New telescopes are tracking every flicker, every movement, every mystery. And whatever happens next might challenge everything we think we know about interstellar space. Because if the remains of a shattered visitor can still move with purpose, what else might be traveling silently between the stars? Right now, just waiting to be noticed. Guys, this one's only getting started. So if this story blew your mind, make sure you subscribe. Because next week we're diving into the mysterious object that seems to be asterisk following asterisk the path of 3IATLAS. Could it be asterisk 4I asterisk already? Or are we witnessing something even bigger, the beginning of a pattern? I'll see you in the next one.